Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Stocks for Everyone. RACL Geartech had it upper circuit today, and I saw people asking about the info in comment section of why RACL it upper circuit today, and also along with that I wanted to give you an important update about its shareholding pattern because FIs and DIs have increased stake in that very significantly, and also on its recent financial performance, their future outlook, the new projects that they have undertaken. So this is what I wanted to let you know in today's video. But guys, disclaimer: this video is only for educational purpose. We don't intend you to buy or sell any stock. So please consult your financial advisor before taking any financial decision. This video is only for educational purpose to understand what's going on in auto sector. And since this is one ancillary stock, you can also study other ancillary stocks and see what's the growth potential there, and then see if you can add to your watch list. So with that, guys, let's get started. So if you look at RACL Geartech, as we discussed, the stock had it upper circuit today, reaching to 1033. So if you look at the reason for this is because they banked a long-term supply order for transmission gears for premium motorcycles from a reputed Indian manufacturer. So they did not disclose which company, which motorcycle company gave this order, but they told that this is a very well-known motorcycle company, and this is for transmission gears order for some premium motorcycles. Okay, so if you look at the core business operations of this company, then RACL manufactures automotive components for 2, 3, and 4-wheeled vehicles. And if you look at their recent financial performance and compare it with the last year June quarter, then net profit have increased almost 99% to the net profit stood at 8.26 crores, but the net sales declined 7.5% to 100.65 crores. So net profit saw an increase, but the net sales saw a decline with respect to YOY performance. Okay. And if you look at what is the impact of this new supply order that they got, this will mark their entry into domestic mass market, and also this will strengthen their position in the premium segment, and also this will showcase their technological capability and precision manufacturing. So this is one big news for this company. That's why the share price jumped significantly today. But based on this order, don't take any position in any in this stock or in any other stock. So study the fundamentals, look at the future growth potential, compare the valuation with respect to peers and the industry, and then take any decision. Right now, let us move on. And if you look at the latest shareholding update, FIIs have increased their stake from 0.03% in March 2025 to 8.76% in June 2025. So previously it was just 0%. Now the stake has increased to 8.76%. So this is huge. And also, if you look at DIs have also raised their stake from 0.05% in March 2025 to now they are standing at 2.85% in June 2025. So even FII and DIA, both of them have increased their stake significantly in this quarter. And if you look at their revenue guidance, so FY25 revenues to date 415 crores. They reaffirm their revenue guidance for FY26 as 500 to 525 crore, which is almost close 25% more compared to their 25 revenue. And if you look at their long-term goal, they are saying that they are aiming for 1,000 crores revenue in next 3 to 4 years. So if they can achieve or not, that's one big thing. But this is what the guidance is currently. And if you look at their new manufacturing facility, so they did Bhumi Pujan on 30 April 2025 at Gajrala. So objective of this new facility is to expand production capacity in line with future business opportunities. And if you look at what is the benefit that they gonna get because of this new manufacturing facility, then it would help them meet the increasing demand, support new product lines, and strengthen their presence in domestic and international markets. So this is one thing that is happening right now with them. And you guys might know that KTM is one of their biggest clients. And if you look at the key update on its business, so they already received confirmed delivery schedules from KTM AG, and they've started the production, and they're giving some cautious approach on KTM because of its financial stability that's going on right now. So this is one important thing for us to know. And if you look at their new projects, right? So if you look at their new projects, there's one project that is Project Titan. So the production at new Udyam facility, and if you look at the progress, over 2,000 sets dispatched in two phases, and if you look at their stage, it's currently in vehicle validation, and mass production is planned for August 2026. So from there, the mass production will start for this project. And if you look at Project Venus, that is for EV drivetrain for one of the sports car. I think this is for BMW, but I'm not sure exactly. But I think this is for BMW that's gonna start from 2026 probably. And here, if you see, it's for supply of drivetrain parts for this electric sports car. And if you look at the progress, 100 sets dispatched under phase one, and it's currently under validation at customer end. So customer will also do some testing and then confirm. And if you look at the mass production update, so they are saying that they are on track to begin the mass production in August 2026. And if you look at Project Crystal, so this is for electric power steering for passenger car. So the scope of this is to develop ring gears, sun gears, drive gears, and planetary gear assemblies. Client, they have not disclosed, but they're saying leading American passenger car for OEM, so that is original equipment manufacturer. And if you look at the stage of it, stage of development right now, so the samples in advanced prototyping phase at RACL Gajrala plant. And the next step would be the assembly and testing that is scheduled for Q2 FY26. So these things will take time, and then once when they are finally starting with the mass production, then that's when a lot of revenue start to come into these companies, right? Guys, to conclude, they've got some recent wins, and the expansion into domestic motorcycles, EVs, and premium segments are a big thing for them. And challenges, we saw that the sales have declined, and production related issues also need to be attended by them. And if you look at the positive indications, then new orders and rising FI and EI investments, and also they're focusing on green manufacturing initiatives and new capacity expansion that they have done in Gajrala. So this was a video on giving you an outlook about RACL Geartech. I think you guys like this video. If you guys find this video useful, then please hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to more informative videos. And please share it with your friends. Motivate us to create more and more such videos, right? So thank you guys. See you guys in the next one.